In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Ionos hosting, from uploading your website files to setting up your SSL certificate. Whether you're launching a new site or moving an existing one, this guide will walk you through the essential steps. First, go to the Ionos website and sign in using your customer account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Hosting. This is where you'll manage your web hosting. Click on Use Web Space, then hit the Upload button in the upper left corner. From there, select your website files and upload them to your hosting space. Once your files are uploaded, head back to the dashboard and click on Domains and SSL. Now it's time to set up your SSL certificate. This is an important step because SSL encrypts the connection between your site and its visitors, keeping data safe and secure. Under the SSL Certificates section, click the Manage button. Then choose Set up SSL Certificates. You'll see different SSL options. You can select the first one, which is free. Just click Activate Now. Next, choose the domain you want to secure. For Change Usage, select Use for Ionos website. Agree to the terms, then click Set up SSL Certificate. And that's it. Your SSL is now active and your website is both hosted and secured. With these steps, you're ready to launch with confidence. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.